Hi, I am Claudine Mamet, Michael Zingraf Real Estate Christie's. Today, I'm very pleased to present you our Solagent listing in Valoris, Golfe-Juan. This superb neoclassical style 450 square meter villa offers a dominant view over the sea and the Cap d'Antibes. The garden is planted with lemon trees, mandarin trees, olive trees, and Mediterranean plants. Inside, the property benefits a large living room with fireplace, library area, and dining room, opens onto a huge sunny terrace. The master suite offers a stunning sea view over the sunrise and the Cap d'Antibes. This property is definitely the place where you would like to spend time with family and friends. For more information or to arrange a viewing, please contact us on michaelzingraf.com.